Hi guys, it's your boy Fanakemamba. Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking you through the trading view throughout everything. So as you can see, we go to our Google Chrome. On our search bar, you can just type in trading view. You can just type in trading view. So now you can clearly see that there's this website here on your trading view platform. Then you can just click it on your Google, then you can clearly see that we have all these kind of things. We have setup, people are sending setups, we have charts here, we have brokers, we have markets, we have screeners, ideas, streams, scripts, and more. So we're not really interested in any of this. So we want to click on your charts. So this is where we are focusing the most. So you can clearly see this is your chart. It's new. There's nothing on the charts. It's barely new. It's fresh. So you can clearly see that we have our watch list here. Okay, guys. So what I'm basically gonna do, I'm gonna take you through everything. How to change the background and how to change the candlestick colors and everything, guys. Everything. Okay, so let's just start here on the top. So you can clearly see here we have pound USD. So you can clearly see if you are on having a free version, this ad is gonna keep on popping up. It says I must sign up for a free trial. You can sign up for a free trial for the next 30 days. I cannot sign up for this because I've already used it, and I'm using the pro. I'm not using this one. So if you click there on pound USD, so this is where you can search each and every pair you want. We have everything here. So if you want to search stock only here, if you want to search futures only here, if you want to search Forex only, CFD, Saipto, index, and economic, depending on whatever you want to search. But I recommend everyone to put it in everything. So that if you want to search, maybe let's say Euro USD, you can just search Euro USD and click on enter. Then it's gonna show the charts of Euro USD. Yeah. So let's just remove this indicator first because it's gonna disturb us. So how do you remove the indicator? You just click on the indicator and you click your left button, then you can remove your indicator. As simple as that. If you don't want to remove it like that, you can just you can see it's back. You can just come to this delete button and then go to this arrow. Then you can see here it says remove indicators, and then you're gonna remove your indicator here as well. So here we have time frame. We have 1 minute, 3 minute, 4 hour, weekly, range. Here you can say 1 range, 10 range, depending on whatever you want. We have 1 second, whatever chart that you want. And then here we have candlestick formation, or I can say type of candlestick. We have hollow candlestick. You can see we have rank or candlestick. Some of them you cannot use them because of you need to be on the subscribe version. But there are so many candlestick that you can use. But we just stick with candles only. We don't want to confuse ourselves, so we stick with candlestick only. And then you can see here with the compare option. This compare option is this if you want to check correlation. Maybe let's say we have pound USD and euro USD. So now you can see if you want to check correlation, you can see this charting on the brown. I'm not sure if it's brown, this color is what, but this charting here, as you can see, it represents euro USD. So you can just click on the chart and change if you want to change the style to make it candlestick candle. Then you can clearly see now it's candles. So you can see we have 2 charts on one chart. So this one is euro USD and this one is pound USD. So I'm just gonna remove it. So we have indicators here. Let me just click on it. You can search whatever indicator that we have here. These are built-in indicators. You can literally search whatever indicator that you want here. We have financials. I don't really use this. Yeah, I think it's for stocks. Then we have templates here. You can create your templates here. Then we have alert here. You can set your alert. Then you have a replay button here. You can just go back in time depending on where do you want to go. Then we have this chatting that okay, it kicked me up, guys. I don't know, because of it, maybe it wants me to register the trading view whatsoever. I don't know what's happening, but it did kick me out. So let's just continue. So I'm just gonna remove this because of if I had already removed it. So we have the back button and the forward button here, and then we have this button for changing screens. This one you can only get to access it once you are on the paid version, and then you can save your templates here. Then we have settings for candlestick formation here. So let me just go through this. Then we have symbols where you want to change the border of a symbol, or you want to change the border of a symbol, or you want to change the wick of a symbol. So I'm just gonna make them the way I make mine. So excuse me, mine are like this, guys. And then my wicks are blue. Yeah, so my charting perspective is like this, guys. It's like this. Yeah, it's like this. My chart is like this, guys. I'm not sure about this color, guys, because yeah, it's like that. It's this one. It's this one. Yeah, guys, my charting is like this, as you can clearly see now. One thing I want to do as well, I want to remove this grid here. They call it a grid, vertical grid and horizontal grid. So I can just remove it by just making it 0 here, and I can just make it 0 here. So now you can clearly see that I have a clean and clear chart here. As you can clearly see, nothing but just price action only. And then we have a symbol line. You can show symbols, open mark structure, and you just want to leave this one like this, guys. You don't want to change anything here, just want to leave it like this. Same thing applies with this one. You just want to leave it like this. You don't want to change anything, you just want to leave it like this only. And then appearance as well, you can change your background here. You can change your background, can be any color of your choice. You can also make it a gradient if you want. Put in 2 colors, depending on whatever that you want, guys. Depending on whatever that you want to do with your chart. So I prefer my chart to be just solid and white. Solid and white. I prefer my chart to be solid and white. You can have session breaks here. If you want your chart to show you session breaks, you can have them here on your chart. You can have scale text if you want your session to have maybe if you want to change the color of your scale, you can just click in the size. And you have watermark if you want your chart to have a watermark or not. So I prefer to remove my watermark on my chart to avoid a bit of distraction. So you have trading, show position, show orders, and all that. You just want to leave it like that. You don't want to be using this trading view to show a position and all that. Then you also have events here. So you just want to cancel or eliminate the events that are showing on your chart. So now let's go here. Okay, here we have all the pointers that we can pick from. If you want to say a dot, you can have a dot here. If you want to have an arrow, you can have an arrow. If you want to have an eraser, you can erase if you want to erase something. I prefer a cross, guys. I prefer a cross. Then you can come here. You can have, if you had a trend line, you can have a trend line. You can just click on the star here on the left, so it's just gonna show on your chart. I have a star, I have a horizontal ray, I have a horizontal line, I have an arrow. Those are the only one that I use from that toolbar. Then here you can see we have pitchfork, we have all these things. I only want Fibonacci here. You can just go through them and see them, but we don't use them. We totally don't use them. So here I'm just gonna click on a brush, and I'm just gonna click on a rectangle. Those are the only one that I use. Sometimes I use ellipse, but I don't click them because I don't use them often, so I don't need them here. I can just go and search them the time I need them. And you can see here we have a lot of patterns, cyber patterns. That's why we don't really use that, so you don't need it. We have long position. I click my long position, I click my long position, I click my short position as well. This one of price range is for calculating pips, so I don't really use there is much, but whenever I want it, I tweak it. You can clearly see uh, we also have, sorry about that, guys. We also have pass platinum. I don't really use it, but I can put it so that I can show you how it works. You can just get the price and separate, like separation, pattern separation, if you know, if you call it like that. So here you can see we have a lot of emojis. You don't really need to use that. We have a ruler here. You can also use a ruler to measure your pips. We have this to zoom on your charts and zoom out. We have this market magnet. I really don't know what's the use of market magnet, weak magnet and strong magnet. I really don't know what they use. We have this for if you want to draw something. You don't have to go back to you take it. You can just put it on. You draw it, and every time you put your pen, you draw without going back to get your drawing tool. Then I can just I prefer unhighlighting it because of yours can sometimes give us problems. Then we have this deleting button. Yeah, you have this deleting button, and then we have this star here. If you just want to unhighlight this thing, if you don't want to show, or if you want it to show on your chart, you can also expand your charts. I just forgot how do you expand your charts, because it doesn't give me option. It's supposed to be giving me an option to expand my chart, but it doesn't give me. Oh yeah, here it is. I got it. You can also expand your chart if you want your chart to be this big, and you can just go back if you don't want it to be go back. You can use it to screenshot. If you want to take the screenshot of the chart, you can just save or copy the whatever. It depends on if you want to copy the link. You can copy the link. If you want to save it, you can save it depending on which one do you prefer. So here we have our watch list. So what I'll do, I just delete everything. Yeah, just delete everything. Drag this one down. Delete everything. So here on my watch list, that's when I will start to adding my pairs. So I'll start GBP, GBP out. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, it takes me out, guys, because of I don't know why it takes me out. Maybe it's because of I didn't register. So it's just a free trial. This one, I don't know if it's a free trial or what. I don't know. But we started over again, guys. So we started afresh, guys. So let me just remove indicators. Let me just continue removing the sim. I wanna appearance. So I'm just gonna remove my appearance, so gone everything. So guys, as I was removing this, you can just click on this plus sign here on your watch list, and then you're gonna see this. You can add any pair that you want to add on your watch list. So you can just, if you are laser focusing, trading specific pairs, not everything, you can literally use that one as to your advantage. So guys, with this events here, you wanna click to your right, and you wanna just unhighlight everything. My battery is running low, guys. Just want to unhighlight everything so you don't see anything here. So yeah, that is it, guys, about Tradingview. So you can literally see how I change my color and my background and everything. So thank you so much, guys. I love you so much. Be blessed.